I can see you. I've got you in my stupid. I didn't put my.
Follow
Whoa! I just got me there. You sort of went across the front of me.
Yeah.
It's quite scarily close.
Is it?
Yes. It's not quite Team Echelon close, but it's pretty close.
So if I stay at literally that position now, see if I can get the going into
Right.
quite slow.
Hang on, I had to drop throttle there because I was just about to hit you.
I'm just going to let FPW do it.
It's probably not going to look as bad as I'm making out, but it feels very close. Right, okay.
It's small adjustments to the throttle.
Whoa!
I'm
We have averted a disaster. Come out. Whoa!
Again, were we close again?
Yes.
I can't see you. I'm just going to head in that direction. Let's go towards the corner.
It's kind of like be afraid, be very afraid sort of thing at this point. I'm below you.
I reckon you're going to have some good shots. That's me.
It's me as well.
You as well.
This is pretty good. You want a 367 on yours as well?
Yeah. You play side?
Yeah, just on the left, your left.
I went
Yeah, you're okay. Not that close behind.
That's hidden control. So I'm taking a left.
Ooh,
Drift there.
that's
Low,
close.
48 metres.
Or 26 if you mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got you. Yeah, I like the Hobby King one. I think the good thing about it is it doesn't push the camera forward. Whoa. Pretty close. Right in the middle of the house. Up 21 minutes. Yeah. Wow, that's like we turned together that time. That looked coordinated. Like we planned it. Wow, that's cold, isn't it?
Those little birds I've got on the
You seem to just get snow here, don't you?
yeah, thank you. Those two little birds I've got on the screen.
Oh, that's good. If they're up sort of high, not straight in the middle.
And then, yeah, they're not like single matches, they're crazy. I can get it there, you kind of bang them out. One sitting on one eye.
Oh, right, so they kind of blur out when the vision gets together.
Break them, ignore them in a way.
Really? No, I haven't quite gone away there. I'm still following, yeah. But mine says 90 metres, so I think mine's out.
Go ahead, and I'll try and follow you.
Alright, I'll take the left now.
And
Looking. Oh, there you are. Well, that's a great shot. That's fantastic.
Oh look, Mummy.
Whoa, very close.
Lovely.
Yeah?
He's gliding in. Nice.
That battery was at like 9.2.